Our firm is equipped to handle all types of animal bites. Mostly we deal with more domesticated animals, the most common of which being dog bites. Probably the most common injuries are those to the extremities, to the arms and legs, because people tend to want to put something between them and the animal. It's usually just an arm or a leg, as pushing it out to push the animal away. Some of the more severe ones can be to the face or neck when someone gets bitten while they're down a little bit more exposed while playing with the animal, or in a more compromised position, usually after they've been bit somewhere else in the leg or something where they've kind of fallen over. Dog bite injuries can have a number of consequences. Being that the person was bitten by an animal, there's a good possibility for infection and scarring. Additionally, depending on the severity of the injury, the person may have to miss work. They may develop a fear of animals, and that can have a lasting impact on their day-to-day life. Regarding the mental state that clients come to us in after a dog bite, there's a lot of anxiety around it and a lot of fear. With a bite, you never know how well it's going to heal, the timeline of it healing, whether there's going to be infection that develops, and just how that bite, especially depending on the severity, is going to affect their day-to-day life. The victim of a dog bite injury is entitled to all damages afforded to anybody else who's been injured. Those can include lost wages, coverage for medical expenses, pain and suffering, and the like. Our firm has handled dog bite cases for over 20 years, from children getting bitten to delivery drivers in both workers' comp and personal injury in South Carolina and Georgia. Clients tend to hire us to be their legal representation because they either know someone who's used us before, or they know someone who knows somebody who has used us before. That level of personal connection between someone they know and us tends to give them a little more confidence when deciding on who to hire. Our current and past clients are often surprised at how personable, understanding, and authentic we tend to be. There's been a number of times when they call and one of us picks up the phone and they're surprised to actually get the person that they're intending to talk to. We're a small firm, and because of that, the point of contact doesn't normally change. You call someone, they've given you their direct email address or the phone number, you call in and you actually get that person, and I think that surprises a lot of people. Client communication is incredibly important. It's easy, coming from the standpoint of someone who's handled cases like this before, to lose sight of the fact that most of our clients have never gone through this before. This process is not necessarily intuitive, and because of that, communication is key to keep them up to date on what steps are being taken to bring their case to a successful close. What makes our law firm different from others is we're small, it's a family environment. Each member of our firm is up to date on pretty much every case we work on it as a team. And because of that, we can provide each case with a certain level of attention and detail and do so in a competent way. During a client's initial consultation for their dog bite case, we'll want to go over any incident report that was made, go over the facts of the case from their perspective, review any sort of medical records that they might already have, talk about their treatment plan moving forward, and honestly just kind of get the sense of how they're feeling and what they want to know about how to move forward, and kind of give them a little plan and go by of where we see the case going.